Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the issue Windows Explorer is not responding. Step 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on a blank space in the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. You can either scroll, search using the search bar, or start typing Windows Explorer. Once found, right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Step 2. Clear File Explorer History. Click the search icon on the taskbar and type File Explorer Options. Open the result, then under the Privacy section, click Clear. Click Apply, then click OK. Step 3. Run Disk Cleanup. In the search bar, type Disk Cleanup and open it. Select the drive you usually see, then click OK. Click Clean Up System Files, wait a moment. After loading, click OK, then select Delete Files. After cleanup, restart your computer. Step 4. Run System File Checker SFC. Open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the command window, type sfc/scanow. Press Enter to begin the scan. This will take several minutes. Once the scan is complete, close the window and restart your computer. Hopefully one of these steps helped you fix the Windows Explorer not responding issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.